Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka Victorium, kadukan kitiar kilan met ka babhatam hakador ka babit, Hanong Tumay Old Beat House Shillong.
Hadin balami bon kikenrum kenram kabadai na kadaw jong ka jingsenjar ka jingking dwarksoj bat baki kali bakit ya ki jingkit bakya kimyo lat su ban yaj na katay ka jingking dai da ka jingshim kya jong ka sarkar rengkat ka Border Road Organization lembat ka National Highway Authority of India menta ka sngi ka arpu santrik unai liber arhajar arpu way lala ban pelipaj bakno ya ka Bailey Bridge balatay da ka BRO ha umyam. Ya kani ka jingking Bailey Bridge lawan ban pelipaj ba da usumbut menteri ke sarkar jela ubadairu minister jong ke PWD Roads uba Preston Tinsong ha ka jing sakhilang UMLA ka Umroy constituency uba George B Lingdo u menteri barim katanat PHE uba Samlin Malngyang u additional chief secretary uba DP Waklang ka deputy commissioner ke Ribhoy district ka kong RM Kurba ki officer na ka BRO bat na ka National Highway Authority of India. Nalor ki minister bat ki hair officer ha kani ka sngi la sakhiru ya ka jingdon lang jong ki pai ba nong song snong na ka thany Umroy ban pej dala ki jong ki khmat halor ka jingla ban tei ya ka Bailey Bridge bat ru hadu balala ban pli pai ba menta ka sngi. Okay.
So, but what about this? Have you discussed with
And sir, to monitor this traffic, we have cabin construction over there.
Okay.
For the police.
Okay.
So that
They regulate it.
Yes. To reduce the manpower. Yes, that's what I you know how to write it.
I think this road is being looked after by the National Highway Authority of India. So of late, we have detected few technical problems of this existing RCC bridge. Then ultimately, we have no option but to stop flying of loaded trucks, loaded vehicles through this RCC bridge. And ultimately, state government jointly with the National Highway Authority of India, we have taken a decision that we will have a temporary alternative, and ultimately we are able to complete this Bailey Bridge. And I would like to place on record, number one, the chief engineer of the BRO. They are the one who did a fabulous job. Within 5 days time, I think they laid this bridge, as you have all seen, you have all witnessed. So I'm happy to inform to all of you that the flying of loaded vehicles will start immediately when we leave this place. Number two, well, the state government, along with the National Highway Authority of India, we are still working out about the existing RCC bridge, whether we'll be able to make it again functional or not. That is still dependable upon the technical detail report submitted by the expert, and then the Ministry of Road Transport will take a call on that. And then for a permanent solution, let me just tell you, now district administration has been asked to identify alternative permanent alignment, where the deputy commissioner will be on the job, identifying the place and then processing of land acquisition and all. So that will take maybe a little bit time. But as I said to you, right now, temporarily, we'll be able to utilize again these bridges, both for the empty loaded vehicles. We will allow them to fly through this old existing RCC bridge, and then the loaded trucks will fly through the Delhi Bridge. And the capacity of this bridge is 40 metric ton. 40 metric ton. Yes, from tonight itself, the district administration, along with the office of the SP Ripoy district, they will regulate, because this one is a one-way. It's a one-way, up and down, and then the police will station there 24/7. Right now, DC has been tasked the efforts of identifying alternative alignment, and that DC will take care of the thing. And then in the meantime, what we wanted is to make sure that this RCC bridge again can be used or can be reused maybe for certain years. So that, as I said to you, we leave it to the expert, which is now the report lies with the Ministry of Road Transport, and then Road Transport will take a final call on this maybe within a few months from now.